Hello students, welcome back to session 7 on sublease. In this session we are concentrating on new problem relating to sublease. You just look at the problem. Quick obtains lease from Rich to work a mine. So it is Quick who is getting to make use, he is getting right to make use of mine of Rich on lease basis. So Rich is lessor, Quick is lessee. The terms being royalty of ₹1 per ton and minimum rent of ₹1,000 per annum. So main lease agreement says that lessee need to pay 1 per ton as royalty and minimum rent per annum is ₹1,000. So and lessee has got right to recoup short working over first 4 years only. So he has got right to recoup short working over first 4 years of agreement only. Afterwards, if there is a short working, he cannot recoup. That is what the meaning. Quick sublet a part of this mine, right to make use of that mine to poor at ₹1.25 per ton as royalty and minimum rent of 500 per annum. Now again there is a sublease contract between Quick and poor. Quick is sublessor, poor is sublessee. So here the sublessee can recoup the short working for 2 years following the short working. Here right to recoupment is entirely different from main lease. So here in any year short working arises, next 2 years lessee has got right to recoup. The lease and sublease for only 5 years. The production are as follows. So it is only for 5 years and production by Quick and poor is given and even total is given. What they ask is we have to pass entries and prepare accounts in the books of Quick. Quick is a lessee, main lessee in main lease contract, sublessor in sublease contract. So we need to prepare royalty chart relating to main lease and royalty chart relating to sublease. So royalty chart relating to main lease is royalty payable to Quick. Royalty chart relating to sublease is royalty receivable to Quick. So let me concentrate on preparation of royalty chart for main lease. First column year column, next column production. You know that under sublease, particularly while preparing royalty chart for main lease, we should take into consideration production or sales on which royalty is based. Production or sales on which royalty is based made by both lessee, main lessee and sublessee. That's why we have taken total output. So don't get confused here. I'm reminding you again and again, while recording output or sales column on which royalty is based, while preparing royalty chart of main lease, you should take total. For example, if there is a sentence that, royalty is based on production under main lease. So production by main lessee, production by sublessee, both should be taken together as total output. As total output in second column of main lease royalty chart. This is very, very important. The next one is minimum rent 1,000 for every year. Next one is royalty. It is equal to output into 1 rupee. So 750 rupees, 850 rupees, 1,000, 1,150 and 1,500 rupees. Once we finish off these 4 columns fully, then we need to concentrate on 1 year after another. So first we will look at the first year. Minimum rent is more than the royalty. So there is a short working. We cannot recoup short working. We have to transfer it to which account? Transfer it to next year. Means we should carry forward it to next year. So in next year, so we have to write 250. See in which column? 9th column you have to write 250. Here nil is there, it was by mistake I feel. Here you have to write 250. First year in royalty chart you have to write 250. Next columns nil because it is short working only. Amount payable is equal to minimum rent. See 11th column is always total of 3rd column and 10th column. That is very, very important. Next year again there is a short working 150. This 150 also can be carried forward to next 2 years because first 4 years he can recoup the short working. So 250 plus 150 totally 400 rupees carried forward to next year. Amount payable is equal to minimum rent. So next year short working, there is no short working, there is no excess because minimum rent is equal to royalty. So but 400 rupees can be carried forward to very next year. Because 1 more year is left for recoupment of short working. So 1,000 is the minimum rent payable to lessor. Very next year, that is on 4th year, there is a surplus of 150. This much only can be recovered, 150 only can be recovered. Actually carried forward was 400, 400 minus 150, this is the last year. So 250 is unrecoverable, should be recorded in 8th column. So in 9th column nothing, and 10th column anyway full surplus is used to recoup short working, nothing will be there in 10th column also to record. So amount payable is equal to minimum rent 1000. Last year there is an excess of 500 rupees. Right to recoupment short working already got over at the end of 4th year itself. So we cannot recoup. This excess belongs to lessor, should be recorded in 10th column. So they have not recorded. You need to record in 10th column. So 1000 plus 500. 1500 is amount payable to lessor. So this is how to prepare royalty chart. Now we will move towards royalty chart of sublease. So you just record output or production, sales on which royalty is based as per sublease agreement. But output or sales made by sublessee only to be considered. So then minimum rent, it is 500 rupees every year. Then output into 1 point, how much rupees it was given in the agreement, 1.25 rupees. It will be the royalty during the year. So 250 into 1.25, 300 into 1.25, 400 into 1.25, 500 into 1.25, 800 into 1.25. So then once we finish up these 4 columns, then we have to concentrate first year, then next year, like that, 1 year after another. So short working first year there is 187. So there is a rule, there is an agreement in sublease that 1 year short working can be recouped in next 2 years. So second year, third year is left to recoup. So we can carry forward this 187 till third year. So nothing is left to lessor because there is no surplus at all. So payment is equal to minimum rent. Second year again there is a minimum rent. Again there is a short working to the extent of 125. That also can be carried forward till 4th year. 125 will be carried forward till 4th year. But 187 will be carried forward till 3rd year. So nothing is left to make payment to lessor. So amount payable is equal to minimum rent. 3rd year it is equal, which is equal. Royalty is equal to short working. So this is the last year for first year's short working recoupment. So first year short working cannot be recouped because there is no income, there is no loss. This first year short working should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account under 8th column. Remaining, that is 125, can be carried forward to 1 more year. So 125 will be recorded in 9th column, 10th column nil, outside payment is equal to royalty. The next year there is 125 excess. Second year's short working is the last. This is the last year for recouping second year's short working. So second year short working is recouped, nothing is left. So all other columns are nil. So 125 minus 125 minus 125, last but one column is 0. Payment is equal to minimum rent. Last year there is an excess to the extent of 500. Recoupment time got over with regard to 125. Anyway, it was fully recovered last year. So this 500 belongs to lessor. So we should record it in last but one column. So payment to lessor will become minimum rent plus this column. Minimum rent is 500. This column also amounts to rupees 500. So total is 1000. This is how to prepare royalty chart under sublease. Once we prepare royalty chart, what they asked? They asked us to pass entries being lessor with rich, being lessee with rich,